In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert on Salesforce. We'll walk through creating an email alert in Salesforce Lightning so your team gets notified at the right moment. I'll keep things clear and simple, and I'll also point out helpful tips so you can avoid common pitfalls. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Make sure you're logged in with the right permissions, ideally with admin access, because creating alerts requires access to setup. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose the option that takes you into the Advanced Setup area. This is where all configuration lives, and it's the central place for creating and managing automation. Once you're in Setup, focus on the quick find search box in the upper left. Type the word Alerts. This narrows down the menu instantly, saving you from digging through multiple sections. From the filtered results, select Email Alerts. This is the feature Salesforce uses to deliver emails as part of your automations. In the email alerts area, you'll configure the details of your alert. Give it a clear, recognizable name and description so anyone on your team can understand its purpose at a glance. Choose the related object carefully. This determines which records can trigger the alert later. Next, select an email template to control the content and formatting of the message. If you already use standard templates for brand consistency, pick one of those here. Define who should receive the email by choosing recipients such as users, roles, or related record owners. You can also add specific email addresses if your process requires it. Set the sender information to an appropriate org-wide address so recipients know the message is legitimate. Take a moment to review your selections. Accurate recipients and a clear template subject line go a long way toward making the alert useful rather than noisy. A quick note on how this fits into your broader process. An email. Alert doesn't send by itself. You'll reference this alert inside a workflow rule, process, or flow that decides when it should fire. Like when a record meets certain criteria, that separation keeps your logic clean and your notifications consistent. When everything looks right, click Save. After saving, it's a good idea to document where you plan to use this alert, and if possible, test it in a sandbox or with a non-customer record to confirm the message, recipients, and sender all behave as expected. If you don't receive emails during testing, double-check your deliverability settings and org-wide email addresses. That's it. Your Salesforce email alert is ready to be used in your automation.